Alright, well here are these two. They decide they want to eat some grain right here on the ground. And here comes everyone else. They're just out here living the dream. There's rain going on. I wonder if they're gonna. Oh, they're making a little bit of sound. There's some rain going on over here. Sometimes we'll have to go ahead and just dump their feed right on top of stuff like logs and stuff, so later on they can go ahead and start pecking at it. They seem to get a lot of fun out of that. Oh, and here we have Thomas. Thomas decided to come out. Whoop! He wants to come down here by my feet. No camera shy. Alright, everybody. We're gonna get some noises out of anyone? No? Nobody wants to say anything? Oh, especially that one. There's Sparks. Well, that was an interesting. Well, that wasn't the sound I was looking for, but alright. Nice. That was good timing, too.